What's this? It's an Atari. What are you doing? Link playing with my Pistormed Amiga. Wow. Of course, this lady is reading from the floppy, so it takes a bit longer. By the way, this is the Amiga music. And now this is the Atari ST music. So, are you starting today or not? Yeah. Go, yes, but I am alone. I'm playing alone. Playing alone is no fun. Well, that serial is working between the two machines, which is nice. Serial cable. I wanted to test this. And now I have some time, and I have tested it, and it seems to work. Wow! Now the Atari ST. Yep.